What if your favorite books could travel with you, without the bulk, without the glare, and without distractions? In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the all-new Kindle Paperwhite 16GB, a sleek, powerful e-reader that's quietly changing the way people read. If you've been on the fence about getting one, stick around. By the end, you'll know if this is the perfect device for your reading lifestyle. The Kindle Paperwhite has always been loved for its simplicity, and this newest version takes that simplicity and perfects it. With a 7-inch glare-free display, it's now larger, sharper, and smoother than ever before, offering a 25% faster page turn rate compared to the previous model. Whether you're lying on the beach or reading under a dim lamp, the Paperwhite adapts to you. You can adjust the brightness and even the warmth of the screen, from cool white to a soft amber glow. Day or night, indoors or out, your reading remains uninterrupted. And unlike your phone or tablet, the Kindle Paperwhite keeps you focused. There are no social media apps, no notifications, just your book and you. It's built purely for readers, those who love to escape into a good story without distractions, pulling them away every 5 minutes. Designed with travelers in mind, the Paperwhite is ultra-thin and lightweight. It slips easily into any bag, and thanks to its waterproof design, you can read by the pool or in the bath, worry-free. And battery life? It's nothing short of impressive. With a single USB-C charge, the Kindle can last up to 12 weeks. That's right, weeks, not hours or days. Whether you're finishing your longest novel or going on a long trip, this device stays with you. Personalization matters too. You can change the text size and boldness to suit your eyes, making long reading sessions more comfortable than ever. With 16 gigabytes of storage, there's room for thousands of books. Plus, with access to over 15 million titles from the Kindle store worldwide, you'll never run out of things to read. And if you're a heavy reader, Kindle Unlimited gives you all-you-can-read access to a massive catalog, including bestsellers and exclusives. This particular version of the Paperwhite is the ad-supported model, which means you'll see sponsored screensavers on your lock screen. But once you unlock your Kindle, it's just your books, nothing else. Whether you're a casual reader or a bookworm, the Kindle Paperwhite 16GB is more than just an e-reader. It's a reading companion designed for every lifestyle. So, is the Kindle Paperwhite worth it? If you value distraction-free reading, portability, and a battery that won't quit, then absolutely. It's one of the best investments any book lover can make. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and buying guides. Drop your questions in the comments. We read them all.